Elon Musk is well known for his speeches and interviews where he shares insights on innovation, entrepreneurship, and life lessons. Some key themes in his motivational talks include 1. Persistence and overcoming failure. Musk often highlights the importance of not giving up, even when facing extreme challenges. He mentions the difficulties Tesla and SpaceX faced early on, including near bankruptcy and failed rocket launches, but stresses the importance of pushing through adversity. Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. 2. Taking risks. Musk encourages people to take risks, especially when they are younger. He talks about how he took big risks with his career and finances in his early years, putting his own money into ventures when others were skeptical. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. 3. Work ethic and sacrifice. Musk is famous for working extremely long hours, sometimes up to 100 hours a week. He emphasizes that success comes from hard work and dedication, even if it requires personal sacrifices. You have to work like hell. If you put in 80 to 100 hour weeks, you'll achieve in 4 months what it takes others a year to achieve. 4. Vision and ambition. A recurring theme in Musk's speeches is the importance of having a bold vision and believing in something bigger than yourself. Whether it's colonizing Mars or transitioning the world to sustainable energy, Musk's grand ambitions have always set him apart. I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. 5. Continuous learning and innovation. Musk often speaks about his approach to learning. He emphasizes the value of self-education and staying curious about the world. Despite not having a formal background in rocket science, he taught himself enough to run SpaceX. You don't need college to learn stuff. Everything is available, basically for free. You can learn anything you want, if you put in the time. These are a few core ideas Musk conveys in his motivational speeches. His combination of ambition, hard work, and resilience has inspired many to pursue their own goals relentlessly.